Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change audiobook folder for InkPad 3 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the apps or scroll down from top of the screen and open a settings. Inside you should find personalize and there's audiobooks folder. Now you can browse through internal memory, so we're in the audiobooks folder, but you can go back and here's all of the folders that are available on this device. You can create new one by going to the top right here and there's create folder. Now let's open audiobooks again, and for example we want to create a folder right here, so click on that icon. Now you'll be able to name that folder and let's call it audio. Click the enter and a new folder should be created and you will instantly enter it. So now we can go back to audiobooks folder and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.